Welcome to Creative English Vocabulary, a fast, easy and fun way to learn English words and phrases. Produced by creativeenglishvocabulary.com. English vocabulary for children and ESL students. Vocabulary Lesson 2. Help. Definition. Make it possible or easier for someone to do something. For example, these girls help each other wash the dog. Can you help your family make lunch? Help. With. Definition. With means together. For example, my kitten played in the yard with your puppy. The boy likes to go to the store with his family. With. Look. Definition. Look means to see something. For example, when you look at clouds in the sky, what shapes do you see? Children look at water from the fire hose. Look. Thanks for watching. You are welcome to learn more lessons. Produced by creativeenglishvocabulary.com.